Hello, welcome back again to the Mountain Home Area Chamber of Commerce. I'm Eric Toddy, Director of Membership and Sales. We have Ashley Garlow, Powering the Technology by Arvest, and we are here for another Investor Spotlight series at B&B ATV Offroad and Repair, located here on Highway 5 North, just in the old Jim Brown building right off the side of the highway. And I am here with master mechanic and friend of the family, Mr. Will Brockfeld. How are you today, sir?
Doing good.
All right, so tell me everything about the services that you offer and just everything about B&B ATV.
Well, we specialize in pretty much anything off-road stuff, from truck accessories, side-by-side repair, starting to get to doing some equipment repair and hydraulic work, just pretty much anything off-road related. Got plenty of inventory on hand here. I've been doing it I've been in business for about 2 years now. Steadily growing, getting bigger and bigger, venturing to just about anything we can get in here. Just give us a call and we get you taken care of.
All right, so not only can they get their ATV vehicle repaired or extra accessories added on, but I've seen you do some killer sound systems too.
Yes, we do sell. I am a DS18 dealer. I sell a lot of DS18 products. So if you want something that sounds really good for good money, we'll get you hooked up.
All right, so tell them how they can find you, Facebook, your address, phone number, all that good stuff.
We're on Facebook. You can give us a call at 870-701-3339. That's the office phone number. And just get something scheduled with us, and we'll get you taken care of.
All right, well, we thank you for your continued support of the Mountain Home Area Chamber of Commerce. Will, it's good to see you again. And you can find his listing too on enjoymountainhome.com under the membership directory, and that's B&B ATV Offroad and Repair. Until next time, we'll see you for our next Investor Spotlight series.